a spider web. Hold on, we starting off the. Man, look at this. Oh, hell no. Alright, man. Starting up this day kind of early. Hopefully this unlocks it. Oh yeah, it unlocked it. Cool, I can hear it. It's making all type of noises, man. But anyways, dude painted the car. Look at that. Shit fell down. You can't make this shit up. I don't know why he didn't glue this up on here. I guess that's gonna be my job, to glue this up on here. But dude painted the car. Honestly, he didn't do that good of a job. See, we got paint running right here. But I guess you get what you pay for. I got a decent deal on it. I don't know what that sound is. Let's get up in here and see this boy start up, man. See, I don't know who did this botch ass work right here. Look at this. You see this? This is like dangerous. Dangerous. Let's see this boy start though. It's not even turning over. Put the key on here. Yeah, it's not even turning over. It's not even, the door's not even unlocking. Well, that sucks. That sucks. Hopefully you can lock this joint. It's like trying. I don't know why that's going through the speaker like that though. You hear that? Whoever tried to put this together did a terrible job. Terrible job. Hopefully we get this. Yeah, that should be able to snap back over there. We got tickets. Oh, this boy got tickets. Oh, we ain't gonna show all that. Why is all this shit hanging? Oh man, this car makes me nervous. Yeah, this don't even unlock or lock the door. So you gotta unlock everything manually. Okay, I'm gonna try to get this battery real quick. Put this battery up in here. See what this battery doing. What is this noise? Anybody know what this noise is? She making crazy noise. Yeah, none of this shit unlocks. Compartment doesn't lock. How's a glove compartment jacked up like that? Still a lot of glass in here. This sheet is ripped to pieces. I gotta leave all these things unlocked. I'm about to take this battery off. I get my tools to take this battery off and go get this other battery. Shit, that at least starts it up. Alright, we got the other Infinity here. This is the G37. About to see if we can get this battery off and see if this battery's any good. So we can put on a newer one. I think that's loose enough. I'm not gonna bore you with this. Yeah, that should be loose enough. That's still loose enough. Let me get this off, mess with this, get back. But it's the G35. We got this battery over here. Let's see if we get this battery in here. See if we get this car to crank up or not. Alright, I got this boy started, man. I got my right door open. I don't even think this is open. Let's see. Alright, got that open. Got 98,000 miles on it. The power steering in this boy is bad. So it definitely got some type of leak in it. So it just was a bad battery. So that made me feel a little better. But I just wonder, is it gonna drain the battery or what's going on? Hopefully it's not nothing too crazy. What's this? Oh, it's the mileage time. Just the brightness and stuff. Alright. At least I got this boy rolling. It definitely needs a muffler. But I don't know, man. This car got some issues. Hopefully I get to the bottom of it. Hopefully it don't cost me too much. I don't know why it does that though. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut it off. I'm gonna go in the house. I'm gonna finish getting ready, and I'm gonna see if it's gonna cut back on for me. Hopefully it will. Hopefully it doesn't drain and kill this battery and stuff. But I just need something to get around in. I need something to get around in. But I mean, that's the only part I'm worried about, man. Whoever did this did a terrible job. Then I'm looking, look how the dude, he just screwed this in. Like, come on now, bro. Like, you could have did better than that. You could have did something else. Like, yeah, you won't really see it, but like, I see it. It's only my second day with the car. I don't know. Listen to this sound though. What the hell is that? What the hell is that beeping for? Okay, well, I'm gonna go ahead and close this engine. Oh, so I almost forgot my 10mm. Need this. Sheesh. I don't know why I made that sound. I gotta fix this battery, so I know this battery is in here. What time is it? plastic. For the intakes, all this plastic is cracked too. Fucking perfect. I mean, I'm sorry, I'm gonna stop cussing. It's perfect. You got aftermarket intakes. They've been cut, so they probably are no good. We'll see though. I'm gonna put these in the back seat. Maybe they can be fixed, maybe they can't. Yeah, let them things be put back up on there. Got some aftermarket radios. Oh no, I think that's the official radio they ain't left back here. Oh, we got the floor mats back here. Okay. Got these. All type of junk back here. Alright, well I ain't about to go through all this now. I just wanted. Yeah, I'm not going through all this now. I'm gonna throw all this in the back. Man, I'm so irritated. At least it starts up. That's a plus. So there's something wrong with that other battery. So I'm not tripping. That makes it a little bit better. I'll take it to the shop in a little bit. I'll cut it off. I'm gonna see if it starts back up with no problem. I just gotta put this battery in here, but I just threw it in here just to get it halfway together.